Hey there, Tech Knights! Here again is a new video for what's new! Alright, introducing VEXcode VR. So what's new? It's VEXcode VR. To all parents, learners, teachers, coaches, students, future scientists, future engineers, this one's the best for you to continue your STEM journey even at the comfort of your home. So kung di pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe, kung di pa kayo nakakapag-like, or nakakapag-click ng ating bell button, alright? Just do it so you can stay connected with Tech Knights Robotics. I'm Coach James, and let me present to you what's new for VEX Robotics, especially in our educational robotics journey. Alright, again, I'm Coach James Ryan Fernandez Duque. I'm the founder and program director of Tech Knights Robotics. I've been doing this for quite a while now, and I'm certified to actually give you an education of what VEX Robotics is all about and how you can use it as an educational robotics platform. To start with, let me introduce to you VEXcode VR. What's amazing? Let us get this going by giving you an idea what VEXcode VR is all about. So ito yung bagong platform that will allow you to program the robot nang hindi nyo na kinakailangan magkaroon ng physical robot. So you can explore the virtual playgrounds using a pre-built VR robot. So napakaganda po nito. So you don't need to do anything else. Let me give you more features of VEXcode VR. So it's web-based. It means hindi nyo na po kailangan i-install. Alright? So it's available in all the major desktop that you can access to as long as there's browser to it. So kahit sa phone nyo, kahit sa tablet nyo, you can use it. Also, it is using VEXcode interface. So if you've been programming robot using VEXcode, you can just easily navigate through this. This is a user-friendly interface. So napakadali po nito. It has been, the VEXcode programming software is being used for VEX 123, VEX Go, VEX IQ, and VEX V5. Plus, the virtual robot on this, alright, platform is actually already pre-built. Ang kagandahan niyan, the drivetrain is already there. Each wheel is actually having the diameter of 50 millimeter. So, yung mismong haba ng robot is 133 millimeter, I think. And of course, it contains a lot of sensors, front, down, eye camera. It has electromagnet. It has a pen that you can use for creative drawing. And it also have electromagnet that you can use to manipulate game objects as you are exploring virtual playground. Napakarami pong virtual playground. Ngayon po, meron na tayong 7 virtual playground that you can access. You can go ahead, check it out. So how to access it? You need to make sure that your gadgets are having the supported browsers. For Windows computers, we need to have Microsoft Edge at Chromium version. Again, you cannot open it if it is not in Chromium version. You can open it in Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and of course, for Mac computers, you can use Apple Safari, GC, and MF. You can also have in iPhone, Apple Safari, and of course, Google Chrome. For Android, Google Chrome, and for Chrome OS, it's just Google Chrome. Now, VEXcode VR, how will you launch it? Napakadali po. Just key in on your address URL box, vr.vex.com, at dadalhin po kayo dito sa ating screen na ito. Alright? So, let me show you. So, this screen provides you an idea. Sa taas po, meron tayong menu bar. If you want to change the language, napakadali lang po niyan. So, again, we're using VEXcode because Drive Forward is the new hello world. Alright? Yun na po yung ating panibagong idea in terms of programming concepts. Alright? So, when you click on the file option, you have the list, new blocks. When you want to create a new project, load from your device, open examples, which is a lot. You can also save your projects to your device. And of course, we have tutorials here, the videos that you can access for your use. Ayan, nadadagdagan po yan. It's always updated. And of course, we have, when you click on this activity icon, it will launch this one. Just go access it. Mag-explore po kayo. Maraming ways para ma-enjoy itong VEXcode VR. So I want you to try, dig it in. So meron tayong VEX Robotics Knowledge Base. Makikita nyo dito yung mga articles that you can access on how to use things, how to use comments and all that, or your programming blocks. So here's your workspace, here's your programming blocks, some of the tools you can access, and when you click on the playground button, voila, a window will open to show you the playground, the virtual playground. It's the default view is top view, and you have a dashboard sa mga sensors nyo. So just explore on it. I'm gonna go back with my PowerPoint. So this is a quick video, how to launch, how to create project, how to start and stop a project, how to select a playground, how to access help. Lahat po yan, you can just check it out on the links I have provided on the details. Thank you for watching this video. And I'm glad you joined me on this video. And again, this has been a great moment sharing with you new things. Keep following us, all right, on our different platforms that you can access. And please, please, please subscribe and like para masaya tayong lahat. All right, this has been a great day with you guys. So again, we can do this together because hashtag we are Tech Nights.